Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We got our holiday cards. This is our assembly line. I will be putting them in the envelopes and sealing them.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna take them and put the return address, shipping address, and then the stamps on the labels.
Let's get to work. We have all of the cards and the envelopes with shipping address, stamps, and return address. This is what our card looks like for this year. We just really like this cat pun. Let's get ready to wax seal everything. Here are all the ones we have done already, going with a mountain and forest looking stamp with this thing. This is the wax and little candle to heat it up. Still have all of those to do over there, but there isn't too much new things to show. Video 105 done.